beautiful people. Welcome to Sharmin's Art Forum. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to share you how to make homemade texture paste. For the texture paste you need only 2 ingredients. Let's beginning. So all we need: 2 tablespoons of baby powder, 2 tablespoons of white glue. Mix baby powder and white glue in same ratio. Mix it nicely. I applied homemade gesso before applying this texture paste. For the gesso recipe, please check the description box. You can use the texture paste on stencils also. I'm using a comb to make a texture. You can use any tools as you like. After dry, here I use this texture paste for one of my other projects. I have already shared this tutorial. You may already seen this tutorial. And I added some fennel seeds. You can add any grains or sand or small stones also. Remember the ratio, all you need in same quantity: baby powder and white glue. Here I'm using ground coffee for example. I applied the texture paste on round wooden base. You can use any surface, like cardboard, glass, wood, plastic also. So, that was the video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.